Bonjour les amis! Today we're going to be multiplying by 3. Let's start with 3 times 5 equals 3 fois 5 égale. Well, that's a little bit tricky. But I could look back and remember that I know from my last video that 2 times 5 is 10, so it would just be 5 more. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Because we have 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. I also could have just counted on my fingers. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15, and I could have found it that way. But it's nice to be able to take what we know already from our doubles and just add to it. Let's try another one. Let's say we have, this is a trickier one. 3 times 6 equals, well, I know 6 times 2 is 12, because 6 plus 6 equals 12, but I need to add one more. So 12 plus 6 equals, now if I can't do that off by heart, I could go 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 3 fois 6 égale 18. Voila. So now we've got multiplying by 3 under our belt too.